and we have to fill this slab with some extra. I will fill up those cracks with some wood, just some conventional wood lime 50-50. We'll fill it with epoxy, and later on when it's cured we will grind materials so that you won't see the lime anymore. These clients are from Brabant, and this is from the same corner where they also want to be filled. Will be a river table, which is a later project. Making the first coat of Osmo oil on the table. First coat of oil. Today we are delivering the 2 epoxy tables. And we go to Brabant. It's about 2-hour drive from